It's me once again with another with another video. Have you ever wondered on where those big steep prices come from when you go to Lowe's to buy a brand new refrigerator or a brand new washing machine? How much would you pay for a washing machine or for a brand new refrigerator? That depends. And if your refrigerator breaks down, then you're going to have to buy a brand new refrigerator. And now today they have these refrigerators which have like smart technology. I don't know why you need smart technology in refrigerators, but basically they have, like, at Lowe's, a touchscreen refrigerator, or where you can make your order on your smartphone when you go food shopping on the stuff you need, like milk, meat, or anything else. But some places like Aaron's and H.H. Greg's, where you don't have to spend a lot of money at major at major places such as Lowe's. I think an average refrigerator would go for about $60 at Lowe's. So, which do you think would be better? Either $24.95 or $60? I say go with the $24.95 because it's a better price. And as long as you keep it, as long as it stays in good condition, then your refrigerator won't break. But, hey, I got a question for you. If someone had asked you about something, would you know about it? And the answer always would be no. Some people in the world are smart, and some are not so smart. There's one such as Professor Dr. Stephen Hawking. He is reportedly the most smartest and most intelligent man in the world. And even though he's an atheist, this guy is so smart, he could even tell you, and even though he doesn't have no voice, the only voice he has is the computer that's on his wheelchair. So, who you think is better? Stephen Hawking